What do you think the future of jobs looks like in the face of advancing AI technology? That's a question that's been swirling around in the minds of many, from CEOs to entry-level employees. The World Economic Forum, a trusted authority on global trends, predicts that in the next 5 years, artificial intelligence may replace up to 44% of human skills. An astonishing figure, isn't it? This prediction has sparked quite a bit of dialogue and, yes, a fair share of concern. After all, automation has been part of our industries for a long time, but AI? It's a whole new ballgame. AI isn't just about automating repetitive tasks. It's about potentially replacing white-collar jobs that involve data collection, software development, web development, research analysis, and information security. But before we hit the panic button, let's take a step back. There's a bit of a disconnect here. The rapid impact of AI that's being predicted isn't quite reflected in the tangible benefits we're seeing so far. AI has not made significant strides in fields such as medical science, space science, engineering, energy science, mathematics, and physics. So perhaps the fear of job loss to AI is a little exaggerated given its current capabilities. Yet there's no denying that the advent of AI could revolutionize our data economy, primarily impacting white-collar jobs. But what about creativity and emotion, the hallmarks of human intelligence? Can AI replicate the human touch in fields like art and music, or is that just a naive notion, given that AI-generated art often comes across as generic and uninspiring? So, are we staring at a future where machines rule, or is this an exaggerated fear? Let's delve deeper. Is the AI takeover a reality or just science fiction? That's the question on many minds today. The World Economic Forum predicts almost half of our skills will become obsolete by 2027, replaced by artificial intelligence. But does the current state of AI support this claim? Artificial intelligence has made strides in automation and data collection. True, yet it's worth noting that this technology is still in its infancy. We're far from seeing AI perform complex tasks in fields like medical science, space science, engineering, and energy science. Even in mathematics and physics, areas one might assume are ripe for AI intervention, significant advancements are yet to be seen. And what about the creative fields? Can AI truly replicate the human touch in art, music, and literature? While we've seen intriguing experiments in AI-generated art and music, many argue these outputs often lack depth, originality, and emotional resonance. They are, in essence, generic and uninspiring when compared to human creativity. The fear of AI taking over jobs, therefore, might be somewhat exaggerated. Yes, it's changing the landscape of work, particularly for white-collar jobs, but its capabilities are currently limited. It's not about to replace human creativity, emotion, or ingenuity. The WEF's focus on the data economy suggests that AI's primary impact might be in data-related fields. It's here where we're seeing the most rapid advancements. But even in this arena, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human insight and decision-making. The AI revolution is happening, but perhaps not at the breakneck speed some predict. AI is an evolving technology, and its trajectory isn't set in stone. It's a fascinating area of study and discussion, but it's also important to separate fact from fiction. It seems the AI revolution might not be as fast-paced as we thought. But what about certain job sectors? Could they be more at risk? Let's delve deeper in our next segment. Could your office desk be the next target for AI? As we delve deeper into the role of artificial intelligence in our work lives, it's clear that white-collar jobs are not immune to its impact. In fact, such roles might be more at risk than we've previously thought. Artificial intelligence isn't just about robotics on the factory floor. It's also about algorithms and machine learning capable of handling complex tasks with ease and precision. From data collection to software development, from web development to research analysis, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. It's not about replacing humans entirely, but about transforming the nature of tasks and roles that we perform. The World Economic Forum predicts that a staggering 42% of business-related skills could be replaced by AI. While this might sound alarming, it's important to remember that this doesn't necessarily mean job losses, but rather a shift in the skills required. Consider this. A financial analyst once bogged down with data collation and interpretation could see those tasks taken over by AI. However, the analyst's role then evolves, leveraging the AI's output to provide strategic recommendations, to engage in critical thinking, and to bring a human touch to client interactions. In this new reality, AI becomes a tool that empowers us to focus on higher value tasks. The same is true for jobs in information security. With AI's ability to quickly analyze and respond to potential threats, cybersecurity professionals can focus more on strategic planning and less on constant monitoring. However, these transformations won't happen overnight. While the potential of AI is immense, its application is still in the early stages. Organizations will need to invest in training and development, helping their employees to adapt and thrive in this new landscape. Yet the writing is on the wall. AI is not just a technological novelty. It's a catalyst for change, reshaping the way we work, and by extension, the way we live. So while AI might not be taking over the world just yet, it could be reshaping the corporate world sooner than we think. Can machines replicate human creativity and emotions? This question is at the heart of our discussion today. As we navigate the labyrinth of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves at a crossroads. On one hand, AI has shown remarkable strides in automation and data analysis. But on the other, it grapples with the nuances of human creativity and emotion. Take art and music, for instance. These are realms where human beings pour their hearts out, where one's innermost feelings take shape in the form of a canvas or a melody. Can a machine, driven by algorithms and devoid of human experience, truly create art that resonates with us on a deeper level? Let's consider AI-generated art. Yes, it's true that AI has been used to create paintings, sculptures, even music. But if you've ever looked at an AI-generated artwork, you might notice something. Perhaps it's technically perfect, but it lacks that spark, that indescribable quality that makes art, well, art. It's often generic, lacking in the personal touch that human artists bring to their work. This isn't to say that AI doesn't have a place in the art world. It can be a tool, a means to an end. But to expect it to replace the human artist entirely is to misunderstand what makes art so deeply human. The same goes for music. AI can compose a symphony, yes. But can it capture the soul of a musician pouring their heart into every note? Can it replicate the raw emotion of a singer's voice, the subtle nuances that convey a world of feeling in a single note? The answers, it seems, are not so straightforward. So while AI can mimic the technical aspects of human creativity, it falls short when it comes to capturing the essence of human emotion. It can replicate patterns, but it can't replicate experiences. It can follow algorithms, but it can't follow its heart. As it turns out, there's more to being human than what algorithms can replicate. If not job takeover, then what is the real value of AI? This is a question that has been echoing in many minds. While the fear of AI replacing human jobs has been a hot topic of discussion, it is perhaps more crucial to understand the unique value that AI brings to the table. One such value, albeit a bit controversial, is AI's potential to manipulate and control public perception. With the rise of social media and digital communication, we are increasingly relying on algorithms to filter, sort, and present information. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns or trends that are invisible to the human eye. This ability to process and interpret data on a massive scale can be used to shape public opinion in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. However, this power of AI also comes with its own set of ethical challenges. There are concerns about privacy, misinformation, and the potential for AI to be used for propaganda or manipulation. It is therefore essential that we develop robust regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines to govern the use of AI in shaping public perception. On a positive note, while AI's capabilities may be limited in certain areas, it has significant potential to improve people's lives. For instance, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, enable educators to personalize learning for each student, and help businesses make more informed decisions. It can also help us solve complex problems, from predicting weather patterns to optimizing supply chains that would be impossible for humans to tackle alone. AI, therefore, is not just about replacing human jobs. Its real value lies in its ability to process data, make predictions, and perform tasks at a scale and speed that surpass human capabilities. It has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, from healthcare to education to business, and can significantly improve the quality of life for people around the world. So, perhaps it's not about fearing AI, but understanding and harnessing its potential. As we move forward into the AI era, it's crucial that we focus not just on the challenges, but also on the opportunities that this technology brings. Because at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. It's up to us to decide how to use it. How can we prepare for the future of AI? This is the million-dollar question we face as we stand on the brink of a new era. The answer lies not in resistance, but in adaptation, in understanding that the AI revolution is not about replacing humans, but augmenting our abilities. We are entering a time where the skills landscape is shifting. As the World Economic Forum predicts, around 44% of skills could become obsolete by 2027. However, it's crucial to remember that this prediction is not a sentence, but an opportunity. As certain skills become less relevant, new ones will emerge. This is where the concept of upskilling comes into play, the process of learning new skills or training in a new area to keep up with the changes in the industry. While automation and AI can take over routine tasks, there are aspects of human skills that cannot be replicated by machines. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal skills are but a few. These are the skills that will become increasingly valuable in the AI era, as they provide the human touch that AI, despite its sophistication, cannot mimic. Moreover, the AI revolution is not just about job displacement, it's about job transformation. Jobs of the future will likely be a blend of technology and human skills, leveraging the strengths of both. This means that even as we adapt to the changing landscape, it's crucial to retain and nurture our uniquely human abilities. We must also remember that AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It is up to us, the users, to determine how we wield this tool, how we integrate it into our societies, our workplaces, and our lives. This requires a shift in mindset, viewing AI not as a threat, but as a partner, working alongside us to create a better, more efficient, and more innovative world. The future of jobs in the AI era, it seems, is not about competition but coexistence. AI is here to stay, and our task is not to outsmart it, but to work with it, to harness its capabilities while celebrating and cultivating our own. This is the future we are preparing for, a future where humans and AI coexist, each enhancing the other's strengths. So what does the future hold in the face of advancing AI technology? It's a question that has been at the forefront of many conversations, discussions, and debates. As we've journeyed through this video, we've aimed to unravel the complexities of this topic, and now we arrive at the conclusion. First, we addressed the promise and peril of AI. We learned that while the World Economic Forum predicts that 44% of human skills could be replaced by AI in the next few years, this doesn't necessarily mean that AI is set to replace all jobs. Far from it. AI's impact isn't as black and white as it may seem. We also delved into the realm of white-collar jobs, a sector that could see a significant shift due to AI. Data collection, software development, and information security may well be transformed. However, it's essential to remember that change doesn't always mean elimination. We then explored the limitations of AI, a poignant reminder that while machines are incredibly capable, they cannot replicate the human touch. Creativity, emotion, art, music, these are realms where AI still lags, reminding us of the unique value of the human spirit. We also discussed the real value of AI, its potential to manipulate and control public perception. It's a powerful tool, but like all tools, it must be used responsibly. Finally, we looked at how we can prepare for the AI era. The future is not about humans versus machines, but rather humans working alongside machines. It's about leveraging AI to enhance our capabilities, not replace them. So as we stand on the brink of the AI era, It's clear that the future of jobs is not a dystopian AI takeover, but a synergy of human and machine. The AI era isn't something to fear, but to understand, adapt to, and ultimately harness for our benefit. As we stand on the brink of the AI era, the future of jobs is not a dystopian AI takeover, but a synergy of human and machine.